Hello dear Blender heads, my name is Eugenio Perinelli, I work in real-time computer graphics. I mainly create content for virtual reality. We use a lot Unreal Engine 4, and that's why I created a node group mimicking the UA4 standard shader behavior, and then I want to show you this time also this small add-on for Blender that streamlines the creation of a family of PBR texture that you can then import in Unreal, Unity, Sketchfab, whatever. So let's download everything here. Let's download the zip and let's put it on the desktop. Okay. So let's start our beloved Blender. Let's have a look at what's in the scene. We have an object. We have this UA shader that is a node group, is the core of what I wanted to show you today. But let's start from scratch, creating a new material, and let's see what the node can do for you. I'm creating a very basic material because the point is not the material, is the bake system. So you can find under the group the UF4 node. We already have for this object, let's go with GPU, normal mapping that you can plug in the first normal slot. Okay, and now let's create a very simple shader just using procedural textures. Let's go with noise texture and color ramp. Okay, and then let's say, for example, that these affects also the metalness. So we have parts that are metal and parts that are not. And let's have also a bit of height. Let's add a bit of, we can do it with this, a bit excessive. Okay. And we want these to affect maybe also the roughness. Okay. The material is not so complex, but I guess you get the point. Okay, as I showed you before in the previous video, here you have slots. They output the content of the base color channel, metallic channel, specular channel, roughness, whatever, to the emit. So you can basically, if you want, add a new image and bake to this new image using the emit channel. Very simple. let's bake. And here you have the roughness. But there's a better way of doing that. And the better way is to use the add-on we were talking about. So you can install it from file. Here you have it. You flag it. And there is this new part of the interface that basically controls your bake. You don't have to worry about creating empty images or setting the render settings, because the script does everything on its own. So first you choose the resolution. This is standard power of 2 resolution, but you can have also a resolution of your own if you need it, but let's go with standard resolution. You have the base dir. Let's say we make a new dir on desktop that is baked textures. Okay. We choose the base name, hydrant. We choose the file format, PNG is alright. And if we have multiple UV, we can choose on which UV we want to make the bake. Then we choose which channels to output, and if we have preference about the suffix, we can change it. Let's say we don't want opacity, we don't want emissive, but we want the rest. So what you need to do is just press the multi-bake, and let's see. It was in desktop, baked texture. Okay, and that's the result. Light speed baking of all the channels you liked. There is in fact a limitation, and the limitation is it supports only one material slot. But for the rest is a piece of cake. It makes things faster. You can reiterate easily if you change some parameter, and you just press the bake and it goes like that. So hope it's useful for you too. Goodbye, Blender heads. See you.